this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've got a light warning has come up on this car, so we've just done the check. It's a BMW 120i, a 1 Series. So we've just done a check. You need to get someone to stand behind you, turn the ignition on, turn it all the way on, put your foot on the brake, turn your headlights on, and just see what's going on with your globes, which one is out. And this was actually going a bit haywire. Being a BMW, it was compensating. This globe here has turned out to be blown. I'll show you how I found that out. But it had lights top and bottom and all sorts when the brake light was going on. It was compensating for the globe that had blown. All a bit weird, but it was. So if you've got lights which are all over the place and a bit unpredictable, it could be that that's what's going on. So to get into this guy, it's done from the back. There's no screws, no way of getting in from the outside. And it's really, really easy. There's a little panel here, a couple of little feet on the bottom and one on the top. Just a matter of pushing that down, pulling it out. That panel comes out and we're into the works here. And now look on this one, you'll see there's a little finger panel, and there's another one. You press those together and just give that a wobble, and that whole assembly comes out. So you just lift that out like that, and then you've got access to all of the globes. And you can see here, tail light up the top, reversing light, a blinker is the orange globe, and the tail light and brake light. It increases the voltage through it for the bottom. So the one that was broken was this globe here, and here it is, and you can see it was very evident that it had blown. All that black, the soot that's ended up inside the globe there. But actually the filament looks all right, but it wasn't working, and it's got that great black mark, so we know that it's burnt out. Looking at these globes, there's a couple of different sorts you'll find very commonly in cars. This has got 2 pins only, and they're at the same height. That's that guy there. They're normally a 21 watt, 12 volt. Very common globe in lots and lots and lots of cars. The other type of globe that's very common, if you look inside, it has 2 filaments. So this can be brake and tail and combinations like that. And this has got a low and a high. You see those pins on the side? One's high, one's low, and look underneath. There's 2 different connection points. This guy, 1 connection point. So you got to get that right. Find out what type of globe you've got and replace like for like. Now, the reason that they've got a high and a low is so you can only put them in one way, and it'll connect the different connectors down here on the bottom to run the current through the globe. So what I need is one of these. This is an indicator or reverse is what they're selling it as. And as I said, 12 volt, 21 watt. That is the single pin, single dot, single element. This one, what are they selling that as? Yeah, stop or tail light globe. It's 12, 21 and 4. So it has the 2 different elements on it there. Okay, so we will go and stick the new globe in. Not that one, that's the wrong type. We'll stick the new globe in and give it a test. I've just poked it out, and it goes into this socket here. You line the slots up, it'll go in easy. It'll be on a bit of a spring type setup, so it wants to press in and then turn, and that's locked in place. Beautiful, that's the brand new globe. That glove was just there to try and hold it, so I'm doing it with one hand. We poke this back around, just line up all the globes. You're playing with glass globes, so just be gentle. And then these clips need to clip back in place, so you press it until it clips. That one's in. That one's in. Give it a wobble, give it a pull. That's now nice and tight, so that's what we want. And then you go and you give it a test.